For those over 60, there are 5 fruits that can help rebuild muscle and combat sarcopenia. Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels a bit harder, or that lifting things off the floor takes more effort than before? These small changes might make you wonder where your strength has gone. Aging is unavoidable, but it doesn't mean we have to lose the energy that makes life enjoyable. What if I told you that you could keep your muscles strong with something as simple and tasty as fruit? No pills or intense exercise required, just nature's remedies. Today, I'll share 5 incredible fruits that can help reduce muscle loss and keep you moving well into your later years. Stay with me until the end because the top fruit might surprise you. It could already be in your kitchen. Let's start with the creamy and delicious avocado. Many think of avocados for heart health, but they're also powerful allies in preserving muscle as we age. Many seniors notice everyday tasks, like climbing stairs or bending down, becoming more challenging. This slow decline in muscle strength, called sarcopenia, is a natural part of getting older. However, eating avocados regularly can help fight this decline. They are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients that reduce inflammation, a key factor that causes muscle breakdown. Chronic inflammation often goes unnoticed as we age, quietly damaging muscles and making it harder to regain strength. Avocados combat this by lowering inflammation, giving your muscles a better chance to heal and stay strong. Avocados also provide an excellent source of potassium, even surpassing bananas. Potassium is vital for proper muscle contractions, which are essential for balance and daily movements like picking things up. Combined with magnesium, another mineral present in avocados, potassium helps reduce muscle cramps and supports overall muscle health. Moreover, avocados are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields muscle cells from oxidative damage. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals attack cells, including muscle fibers, contributing to aging and muscle loss. Adding avocados to your diet not only supports muscle repair and growth, but also protects your muscles from future harm. Additionally, avocados offer dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a great choice for people managing diabetes or anyone wanting to prevent blood sugar spikes. Stable blood sugar leads to consistent energy, helping you stay active throughout the day. Research shows that eating more monounsaturated fats like those in avocados helps older adults move better and reduces their risk of becoming frail. Research has also discovered that lutein, a carotenoid found in avocados, is associated with improved muscle strength and physical performance. This means that avocados don't just help maintain your muscle mass, they also help your muscles function more effectively, which is crucial for staying active and independent as we get older. Adding avocado to your meals is simple. You can spread it on toast, toss it into salads, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it plain with a dash of salt and pepper. One of my favorite ways is to slice it onto whole grain toast with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's easy, delicious, and supplies the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and full of energy. So next time you reach for an avocado, remember it's more than a tasty treat. It's a nutrient-packed powerhouse for your muscles, loaded with healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants to keep you mobile, strong, and independent. Whether your goal is to aid muscle repair or prevent further muscle loss, avocados are a straightforward and effective choice. Next, let's talk about tart cherries. These vibrant, flavorful little fruits may be small, but they deliver a powerful punch when it comes to combating muscle loss and inflammation. As we age, it's common for our muscles to weaken and for aches and pains to appear even after simple activities. However, tart cherries provide a natural, potent way to help your body recover, ease soreness, and enhance overall wellness. Their muscle-healing ability comes from anthocyanins, the compounds that give tart cherries their deep, rich color. These anthocyanins are strong antioxidants that reduce inflammation inside the body, which is often the root cause of muscle stiffness and pain. Consuming tart cherries or their juice helps soothe this internal inflammation, making your muscles feel less sore and recover more quickly. This can be a game changer if you've been dealing with the everyday discomfort that comes with aging muscles. But that's not all. Studies have shown that tart cherry juice is especially effective at speeding up recovery after exercise, which is great news for anyone aiming to stay active. For seniors, keeping physically active is essential, but soreness after moving can discourage consistent workouts. Tart cherry juice helps reduce this muscle soreness, enabling you to stick to your routine and keep moving without being held back by persistent discomfort. Even better, tart cherries can improve sleep quality, a common challenge among older adults. Poor sleep makes it harder for the body to heal and rebuild muscle after physical activity. Tart cherries promote deeper, more restful sleep, giving your body the chance it needs to recover and rebuild muscle tissue overnight. With better sleep, you'll wake up with more energy to stay active and handle whatever the day brings. It's worth highlighting that tart cherries are loaded with additional nutrients that support overall wellness. They're a great source of vitamin C, which plays a key role in collagen production and keeping skin healthy. More importantly, vitamin C also aids in the repair and maintenance of muscle tissues, which further strengthens your ability to rebuild muscle as you age. Another bonus? Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. And as we know, proper rest is essential for muscle recovery. Adding tart cherries to your meals is simple. You can snack on them fresh, sip tart cherry juice, just make sure it's low in added sugar, or even freeze them to blend into smoothies. They're also great sprinkled over oatmeal or yogurt for a nourishing, muscle-supporting treat. So if you've been dealing with soreness, stiffness, or just want to feel more refreshed and mobile, tart cherries could be exactly what your body needs. Whether you're trying to bounce back after exercise, ease inflammation, or simply get a better night's sleep, these small fruits offer big rewards for strength, health, and vitality. Now let's talk about fruit number 3, pomegranates. These jewel-toned seeds are more than just beautiful, they're packed with compounds that can support muscle recovery and boost performance, especially for adults over 60 managing muscle loss or sarcopenia. If you're hoping to restore strength and feel more energized, pomegranates might be the secret weapon you've been missing. Their value lies in their high levels of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols. These powerful plant compounds help fight oxidative stress, a condition that arises when free radicals cause damage to your body's cells. As we grow older, this stress can interfere with how muscles heal, increasing inflammation and slowing down recovery. Fortunately, pomegranates help address this at the cellular level, encouraging faster repair and stronger muscles post-activity. They also promote better circulation by enhancing nitric oxide production, which relaxes and widens blood vessels. This allows more oxygen-rich blood to flow to your muscles, helping them function more efficiently and reducing the chances of fatigue or soreness. For older adults, this means more than just less soreness, it also supports cardiovascular health, which is critical for staying active and engaged day to day. Multiple studies show that pomegranates may reduce muscle soreness and improve endurance. That's excellent news for anyone trying to keep up with regular walks, yard work, or light exercise. By supporting quicker recovery, pomegranates make it easier to stick with a fitness routine and stay mobile. And the most exciting part? Researchers suggest that pomegranates can actually help improve your stamina over time. That means you'll be able to enjoy the things you love, whether it's gardening, long walks, or playing with grandkids without running out of steam. If you've felt your energy dipping with age, adding pomegranates to your meals might be just the boost you need. Including them in your routine is easy. You can snack on the seeds, toss them into a salad, or blend them into a smoothie for a flavorful, nutrient-rich option. Prefer juice? Choose a version that's 100% pure with no added sugars to get the full benefit. Pomegranates are a simple, delicious way to promote muscle recovery, reduce soreness, and support strength as you get older. Whether you're managing sarcopenia or just hoping to keep your muscles working well, these little seeds can have a big impact. So next time you spot a pomegranate at the store, don't pass it up, grab it, and give your muscles the extra support they deserve. Now, you might be asking, how do I start rebuilding muscle? The answer might be easier than you think. By introducing these fruit powerhouses into your diet and staying active, you can slow down muscle loss and begin restoring strength. Start now, your muscles will thank you for it. Let's move on to number 4, prunes. Yes, those small, wrinkled, dried plums may not seem impressive at first glance, but don't underestimate them. Prunes are rich in fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals, making them a powerful ally for older adults dealing with muscle decline or sarcopenia. To begin with, prunes are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to muscle breakdown as we age. Our bodies naturally face more wear and tear over time, which can slow healing and increase discomfort. Prunes step in by easing this burden, supporting quicker muscle recovery, and promoting overall muscle health. But there's more. Prunes contain a compound that helps stimulate muscle growth, IGF-1, or insulin-like growth factor 1. This hormone plays a critical role in repairing and regenerating muscle tissue. Unfortunately, as we grow older, IGF-1 levels tend to decrease. Including prunes in your diet may help activate this hormone and support muscle rebuilding, giving your strength a much-needed lift. Prunes also offer a valuable dose of borona trace mineral that helps your body use calcium and magnesium more effectively. These minerals are vital for keeping both bones and muscles strong, which becomes increasingly important as bones naturally weaken with age. The blend of boron and other nutrients in prunes can help lower the risk of fractures and maintain muscle resilience. And the best part? Prunes are incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. You can enjoy prunes as a quick grab-and-go snack, Stir them into a warm bowl of oatmeal, blend them into your morning smoothie, or even use them in savory dishes to enhance flavor and nutrition. Sweet and satisfying, they're more than just a treat, they offer real benefits for your muscles. If staying active has become more challenging, or if you've started noticing a drop in strength, prunes may be just what your body needs. They're not only great for digestion, they also play a role in reducing inflammation, supporting muscle repair, and maintaining strong bones. These small fruits carry a big impact. Adding them to your daily routine equips your body with the nutrients it needs to rebuild strength, improve how you feel, and help you stay mobile and independent in the years ahead. Now, for the fifth and final fruit, apples. One of the most familiar fruits on the grocery store shelf, apples may seem basic, but they deliver impressive benefits when it comes to muscle health. Beyond being a go-to healthy snack, apples contain powerful compounds that help combat muscle loss and promote strength as you age. One of the key components lies in the skin of the apple. It contains a natural compound called ursolic acid, which has been shown to help stimulate muscle growth and prevent muscle wasting. As we age, it's common to feel like your strength is slipping away, no matter how much effort you put in. Ursolic acid can help reverse that by supporting the growth of muscle tissue and reducing the rate of breakdown, an incredible advantage for maintaining strength and independence into your senior years. Apples are also rich in quercetin, a strong antioxidant that supports the health of your mitochondria, the energy centers of your cells. When your mitochondria are functioning well, your muscles have more energy to work with. This boost in energy helps with faster recovery, less soreness, and less fatigue after activity. Whether you're walking through the neighborhood, carrying groceries, or doing some light resistance training, quercetin helps make it easier and more comfortable to stay active. Adding apples to your meals is incredibly simple. Eat them fresh, slice them up with a bit of almond or peanut butter, or toss them into a salad or smoothie, and whatever you don't, skip the peel. That's where most of the ursolic acid and antioxidants live, so eating the whole apple gives you the full benefit. Though they may look ordinary, apples are quietly powerful, offering a blend of nutrients that supports muscle strength, prevents loss, and promotes overall well-being. If you're concerned about muscle decline or simply want to stay strong and mobile, adding apples to your diet is a small change that can bring lasting benefits. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for an apple. It's a simple, delicious way to nourish your body and give your muscles the support they need to grow stronger with each passing day. You might be wondering, can I really rebuild muscle at this stage in life? And you're not alone in thinking that. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can. Restoring strength after 60 is more achievable than many people realize. With the right combination of nutrient-rich foods, consistent movement, and quality rest, it's possible to slow down and even reverse the effects of sarcopenia. These 5 fruits are just the beginning. When you pair them with healthy habits and regular activity, they can play a powerful role in helping you stay strong, active, and independent. If you're ready to take your health seriously, don't wait. Start making small, meaningful changes today. Your muscles and your future self will thank you for it. If this video gave you some useful tips, go ahead and click that like button. It really helps us reach more people. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new videos. I'd love to hear from you, so feel free to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.